Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the assistant professor and associate professor and few other faculty notifications. Here the total 6,000 plus vacancies are there from the 10 different state universities and the 2 central universities. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, in the Still Outlook website, here they mention that 10 state universities and 2 central universities are recruiting the faculty posts. So here in this video, I'm going to show you the list of the state and the central universities. And already few universities details I mentioned in my previous videos, and a few more universities I will mention in my next videos regarding the details and all. So in this video I'm just going to show you the list of the universities and their last dates also you can see in this website. So the 2 central universities are Nagaland University and the Assam University. Here the total 75 faculty posts, and from the Assam 73 faculty posts are there. And coming to the state universities, Daulat Ram College of University of Delhi and Sri Dev Suman Uttarakhand University and Sri Vishwakarma Skill University. Okay, so coming to the list, you can check down here. Sri Dev Suman Uttarakhand University 31st December is the last date, and Daulat Ram College. So right now it is open. Total 121 assistant professor vacancies are there. And coming to the Vishwakarma Skill University Haryana, 18th December is the last date. And coming to the JC Bose University of Science and Technology, Faridabad, so 14th December is the last date. Total 15 faculty posts are there. And Assam University 73 assistant professor, including assistant professor, and Cochin University of Science and Technology, 30th December is the last date. And from Rajasthan Public Service Commission, 8th December is the last date. Total 900 assistant professor vacancies are there. And coming to the University of Lucknow, it's having the 164 faculty posts, and Mahatma Gandhi University, so it is a 24, and 7th December is the last date. And Central University of Gujarat, 30th November is the last date. Total 70 faculty posts are there. And Bihar State University Service Commission, 2nd December is the last date. Total 4,638 assistant professor vacancies are there. And coming to the NIT Rourkela, it is a rolling advertisement. That means anytime you can apply. And from IIT Madras also, at the 3rd December 2020 is the last date. Okay, so these are the different vacancies from the different state and central government universities, guys. Okay, so you may refer to get the details, you may refer their individual university website and go to the official notifications. Then you will get the accurate data. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.